in a couple of days, Jacqueline. Thank you. Well, today in your new notebook, we have Rebecca Combs. Thank you so much for being here.
Hi, thank you.
So she is the owner of Design and Adorn Beading Studio. And today we're talking about, we have the holidays coming up. People definitely want to get some gifts, and specifically chainmail. Tell us about what that is.
So chainmail is a really ancient technique. It actually goes back thousands of years, and it's a method of linking rings together, excuse me, to make different patterns and designs. And although it was originally used for making armor, today it's used for making jewelry.
That's incredible. So how do you can just make these?
Yeah, absolutely. You can just make these. The tools needed are really simple. You just need some pliers and jump rings. Jump rings are metal rings, and they have a cut on the edge.
And so what sort of styles would be good for holiday gifts? I need some ideas here.
Well, we have some things that are specifically holiday themed. The rings come in different colors, so we have things sort of like a peppermint patty design. But if you wanted something that was good for year-round that you could give now at the holidays, there are lots of classic styles that are great for people of all genders, which is nice. So this is a box weave, which is a traditional style. The Byzantine is another classic. And these are great beginner projects that it could be your very first chainmail adventure.
Yeah, and it's so nice that it's personalized. I think that adds another layer of something special for a gift. So if, I want to go to the store, kind of learn how to make it, get the tools, how can I go about that?
Well, you can just stop by Design and Adorn. We're located in Midtown at Grant and Swan. We have kits, we teach classes, we also have the chainmail, supplies, all the rings, the tools are there for you.
A one-stop shop. That's a perfect gift. Rebecca, thank you so much for being here. We're going to have much more about all of these techniques and how to get in contact with them on our website. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.